Get off the bike. Get off the bike. Get off the bike. Get off the bike.
I'm not even being detained.
Get off the back. Yes, you are being detained.
But
Get
what
off the
crime
bike.
do you suspect me
Get off the bike. We got a call for service. You were trespassing at the Duplex.
I wasn't
Get off the bike. Get off the bike. I'm telling you now. It's a lawful order. Get off the bike.
I wasn't trespassing.
Step off the bike. Take your foot off the bike. Get off the bike.
What
right now.
do you suspect me of
Get off the bike. We got a call for trespassing. My supervisor's coming. Get off the bike.
I got off my boat.
Get off the bike.
I was riding my bike to the store.
Get off the bike.
What did I do wrong?
You were on the property at Miller Street, the white duplex. When I pulled up, you were leaving the property. Get off the bike.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
I was on my way.
Okay, get off the bike.
My kickstand stuck on my spokes.
Okay.
I got a cotton chicken.
Okay, get off the bike. It's a lawful order.
So I'm being detained.
Yes, you are being detained.
For what crime you?
It's not being detained doesn't mean you committed a crime. I'm investigating.
No, what crime do you suspect?
Trespassing.
Why?
Because we got a call for trespassing.
What does that have to do with me? I'm on my way to go to the store.
You were the suspect that is
riding his bike to the store.
That was at the house, the Duplex on Miller.
No,
get off the bike. All right, I'm giving you off order.
I never got off.
If you don't get off the bike, you're going in handcuffs right now.
I never got off. You can't put me on.
I can put you in handcuffs.
Why?
Because I'm telling you, get off the bike. It's a lawful order.
But I'm not doing anything illegal.
Get off the bike. Stand right here.
Sir, I'm not doing anything illegal.
Get off the bike.
You have no right to detain me.
Okay, all I want to do is talk. Stand. Get off the bike.
You have no right to detain me.
I told you to stop over there, and you said I'm going to the store.
You have no right to detain me right now.
I do have the right to detain you. If you don't get off the bike, I'm going to rip you off the bike and put you in handcuffs.
And then you're going to get,
I'm not.
really right.
I'm not. It's a lawful order. You're not listening. You're obstructing right now. You're not obstructing. I don't need to read you your rights.
You're trying to detain me.
Get off the bike. Get off the bike.
Suspect of committing
I'm not telling you again. Get off the bike.
Sir. I would like to speak to your supervisor. I'm not doing anything until I speak to your supervisor.
My supervisor's right here.
How you doing, sir? My name is Wayne Smith. I'm a commercial clamor. I was on my way to go to the store, same back way I always take, and this guy's tracking me down like I'm doing something wrong. I asked why. I'm like, am I being detained?
You are being detained.
Why am I being detained?
Because
what crime do you suspect me of committing?
You were trespassing on property.
I was on the bike. I was kept moving.
Jump off the bike. Come up here on the sidewalk.
All I did is I looked
at. What did you say your name was? Wayne.
Huh?
Wayne.
Yeah.
Wayne, come up
but
here.
All I did is I stopped by a gold car my fiance was gonna buy, but I didn't like it. I called her, said no, I don't think you should buy it. Has way too many miles, and we're gonna waste all our money.
What kind of car?
It was a gold Toyota.
Where was it at?
Off Miller. That's all I did is I came down, I came off Miller, and I went this way, and this guy came at me like crazy.
Well, what was he on the property? Did you see him over?
Yeah, he left the property, and then I told him to stop. He's like, I'm heading to the store.
No.
So I spun around and I came up here.
He stopped me while I was riding my bicycle, sir.
Jump up here, come over here on the sidewalk
so we can
figure this out.
There's cans and everything.
Jump up over here so we can figure this out.
But you shouldn't have to.
Yes, you're getting detained right now, or you're getting arrested for obstruction. One or the other. Jump up here over here so we can figure this out.
But I should be lawfully allowed to go.
You should be going over here.
Because I didn't commit a crime.
Listen, you're going over here. Go, over here. Let's go. Off the bike. Get off the bike.
This is ridiculous.
Off the bike.
You guys didn't read my Miranda rights.
I don't have
You guys have no crime. I didn't commit a crime.
You're being detained. You are being detained at this point.
You can't detain me at this point when you have a warrant or a crime.
He watched you leave the property.
He didn't watch me leave anything. He watched me ride my bike down the road. What do you mean?
Sit here on the wall. Sit down on the wall. You got any weapons on you? You can sit down on the wall.
I'm going to call my wife and let her know this is happening.
Sit down.
Because I honestly was going to call the cops.
Listen,
I was going to call you guys and tell them not to buy the car.
Yeah, you're going to call the cops for her to buy a car. Sit down on the wall.
No, not to.
Sit down on the wall.
85140, receive love.
Provide this officer with your name and date of birth.
Grab me a cigarette. It's had a rough day of clamming. I still got my claim book down there in my baskets. I got offloaded. It was an emergency. I can't have her waste our last $1,500 on a piece of junk car. When we found one right up where we're at for $1,500 and it's a stick. Look, now the cops are here chasing me down, trying to accuse me of trespassing, all because I was yelling at you on the phone. He kept stopping on the bike because I couldn't see the phone. I didn't. I was just going to the store. I didn't even get to leave. All I did is knock on the door, lady didn't answer, I left. I mean, I was gonna... No. We haven't made, we have only $1,500 for our name. We're in a homeless shelter. See, why do you cause all this? I was having a good day. Tomorrow's no limits day. Today was no limits day. I could have made good money, and I trusted you with all our money, and you completely... You could have got the other car. What do you...
Dad.
130.
You were down the way. You could have met you here. You could have... I thought we were going to meet here.
Copy, thank you.
Babe, I thought we were going to meet here, test drive it, see if you wanted it.
You might have paper, actually. Cyclist X200.
Huh?
Okay.
What, babe? What happened? Oh. Well, alright, well... I'm saying, that's what I thought we were saying. And now look, now they're chasing me down, trying to arrest me for trespassing or something when I was riding my bike down the road. Down Miller, where I always go.
17 Coronat County. Can you confirm the number and spellment for a caller? I'm trying to contact. It says the number's on service.
That's all we have, and we have a really good deal, and I really
Copy, copy.
No, babe, the mileage is 200-something thousand. I didn't know that. It's gonna die. The other one's 100. We have one shot at this. I've definitely been through enough. Like I've been trying so hard. I've been trying so hard. I can wake up every day so early to get down here. Because I'm like, I'm losing it, man. You're driving me nuts. Huh? What do you mean? Because, yes, we could have. I thought we were going to see the other one. I thought we were going. I thought the phone's going to die. I thought we were going to see the other car later. I thought we were meeting here early, like around noonish, to test drive this. I thought we were going to the other car later. What?
Yeah, you say 63 or 90?
What do you mean?
93.
What do you mean? Runway's only, no, you can't if we're driving there. We'll take an Uber. It's $10. It's $10 Uber. Alright? Please don't tell the guy never mind. Please. Tuesday's limits, and anyone can do whatever they can do, so it's the only day I can make money. I got clams sitting in baskets that need to get in the plant. You know? I'm only allowed like a half a... Huh? What do you mean? I already done it. But I have no drinks. I'm thirsty. And I wanted to tell that lady I didn't know I had 200,000. And never mind, we found something better. You didn't answer, so I left. And then some cop was chasing me down, saying, "Hey, can I talk to you?" And I'm like, "No, I'm thirsty. I want to get to the store. I need to, get something to drink. I got to get back to the boat." Huh? Like I asked him to call for a supervisor, and they're in the car doing whatever. They detained me right by Circle K. That would have been.
And a number for the guy that doesn't come back. Wait for them to try to confirm the number.
Alright.
When you saw him, where was he at?
He was leaving the property at Miller. He crossed the
That
street
one
on the
where it's
bike.
like the white building?
Yeah, it's like the second house in.
And he crossed the street.
He crossed the street and he was already on the bike. I pulled over and I said, "Hey, can I talk to you?" He's
So
like,
you saw him while he was over there?
Yeah.
And then he walked across?
no, he was on the bike.
Oh,
He
you saw
started
him.
moving on the bike.
Okay, so you didn't see him come across the street from that place?
He did, but he was on the bike at that point.
No, but so you watched him come out and come away from that area, that building,
Yep.
across to the bike?
Yep. And then when I pulled up next to him, I was like, "Can I talk to you?" He's like, "No." So I spun around. I pulled up here because there was a lady walking in front of him on the bike, and I jumped out of the car and I grabbed his back. I said, "Stop."
Yeah, you would have. If
And then he
you had
wouldn't step off the bike.
Yes, I would. Yes, I know. The other one's black, and I did the paint job on it.
1765.
Go ahead, County.
There's only one out of Atlantic Highlands for 300 with 10%.
10-4.
You got a,
RR. Yeah.
Yes, you can.
yeah, if you want to start filling that out. I have someone that said that you were inside of that house, so you're going to be
What
placed under
house?
arrest. Stand
What
up.
house?
Stand up.
What house? You mean?
Stand up. Turn
Sir,
around.
what house?
Your hands are going behind your back. Take
I
your
wasn't
bag
in a house. What do you mean? Well, I guess they're arresting me, babe. Well, I want my backpack
Your
and all.
backpack's coming with you.
But I gotta get my
put the
boat
phone down.
tied up. I can't leave it there.
Let's go. Down. Put your stuff down.
Shut down.
I didn't do
You're
anything.
under arrest.
I didn't do anything, though. I didn't go in any house.
Well, I have a witness that's willing to provide a written statement that you were inside of the house over there that's under construction.
Oh, man, my right with my
All right,
hand.
I'll loosen it. You gotta stop tightening it up.
Fuck! Please, man, come on. Come on, dude. Oh my fucking god! Oh, man. Come on, please, man. I'm a clamor, but I can't. I can take things.
You got plenty of space in there.
Stop twisting. Just open that one all the way up.
I'm not doing anything.
You got anything on you you're not supposed to have? Anything in your bag you're not supposed to have?
No, I just got.
There's no drugs. There's nothing in there.
My boat to a sink where it is. I can't leave it like that.
All right, we're gonna get you processed on trespassing, and then we'll go from there. All right?
I can't believe this. I was just riding my bike. I stopped for a second.
Nothing else.
I was looking around on the ground.
17-4 High County. We have a male 41.
First email 41
I'm gonna leave it there.
We'll secure it.
Is this something we can always do with this police station?
Yeah, we're gonna do it at ours.
I really need to get out and get this car, man. I have no
Lean
idea
forward,
what
or
this
sit back, I mean.
situation I'm going through.
Okay.
I gotta get to the plant by 4 to unload them clams. I probably won't even get paid for them now.
What do you want to do with his bike?
We'll get it up there one way or another. Dude said that he walked past him, said hi to him. He looked like he was like kind of sketchy out on the sidewalk, so he turned around and looked. So we'll bring him in, process him on it. You want to check for?
You can put it in your car?
Yeah. Do you have a full cage in your car?
No.
You got a half cage too?
Yeah, I don't think we have any full cages. For the bike? Do you know the combination to the lock on your bike? So we can lock it up, leave it here? As long as we lock it to something secure?
Wherever you can legally lock it rather
Yeah.
than cutting it and taking it.
Okay. Well, it's not. We'll let them know that it's yours. We don't need to know it as long as you know it. You know it though? Okay. He knows it. You needed the combination to lock it?
Nope, it's good. Right? No?
I mean, you told me the combinations. And we got to do the RR inside. That's easier though. At least I'll have the warrant. I can call it inside.
Yeah, we'll just do the same.
1765 County. I'll be transporting one male 41 from this location. The headquarters 1011. My starting mileage 50821. Body worn cameras on.
321.
He's verified with flag plans. I told him I had to come in for an emergency real quick. I'm going to the same. He got revived.
1765 County. 1011 my ending.
1765.
50822.
50822, 1226.
I'm gonna reach across you here, alright? Off the seatbelt. Hold your arm so you don't fall out. Gotcha. Turn, you can walk that way. You also got a warrant out of Atlantic Highlands. Did you know about that?
No, I haven't went to their court.
Never went to their court?
No, I didn't go to their court. Unless there was a separate one. I think it was the Mountain County Parks one, but I thought they just dismissed that thing.
Alright, listen, I'm gonna take these cuffs off you. Alright, you're not gonna give me a hard time. I gotta handcuff you to the bench though. Sit down. Which handcuff you want? Right or left?
Let me take this off and put it on the left because I'm right over here. I wasn't expecting that at all. I wasn't doing anything wrong.
There's an eyewitness saying that you entered the house.
I entered a fence, but I didn't go in the house. I just knocked on the lady's door. It's right next to the gold car.
Come off or?
I don't even like going to people's patios.
I'm gonna go get that RR form.